Welcome to the new stuff on the Witness Service Phase 3 as a part of the NCI 7.3 release. So what's new here is essentially the Witness Service now has a UI that you can manage, upgrade, and monitor the Witness services from. So what that means is basically being able to monitor the connected clients and then by extension the entities that those clients have rolled up to them. Also being able to update the Witness Service directly from the UI. And then lastly, being able to see how much resources the witness is consuming. The other point here, or the other thing that was added, is the ability to support deployment for ESXi, and this is inclusive of Nutanix-based ESXi and also non-Nutanix installations. Keep in mind that this witness is for AHV Metro only today. Moving forward, we are looking to do a complete integration so that we reduce the friction in the field in terms of how many witnesses and the deployment methods and things like that. So this is phase 3 of an ongoing project to reduce friction for witness. So once you're in the UI, on the left-hand side, you have clients, alerts, and tasks, as well as witness management. So for this slide, clients page basically will show you the client, which is the Prism Central, the type of client it is. So in this case, as you can see in the example, it's AHV Metro, and then the number of entities being monitored. So this will be essentially the number of virtual machines being monitored. For the alerts page, this basically shows all witness-related alerts. You don't need to go to Prism Central to see those. Now it's all in the Witness UI. So this is the tasks view inside of the Witness UI, and this is really just a list of actions or tasks that the witness has done or is doing, the status of those tasks, whether they succeeded or failed or still running, who initiated the task, and the start time, and also how long the task took. So pretty similar or pretty standard stuff, I should say, to what has been in PC. Now it's just in the Witness UI for all things witness related. So looking at witness management here, in the summary view, we have a few different details of witness. So as you can see here, we show the name, that's virtual IP, domain name if there is one associated, and then also the current version. On the right-hand widget, essentially it's the total consumption of vCPU, so you get it as a percentage, and the default value is over the last 24 hours, or the default window is last 24 hours. And then if you click on the resource consumption section of the witness management, you get a little bit deeper view of what is happening currently on the witness from a resource consumption, both vCPU and memory, as well as the historical, and those are configurable there. And then also a view of storage consumption for /home. Under witness management for the in the update section here, this allows you to basically update the witness directly from the Witness UI, which is pretty cool. So two things you can do here: you can upload a witness version binary directly, so binary in the metadata file, or this will show versions that you can directly download from Nutanix support portal. And then once you have the version that you want to upgrade to, you can go ahead and just upgrade it through this UI. So a nice, easy way to stay within the witness and update its version. And lastly, under witness management is Pulse, and essentially this gives you the option to enable or disable Pulse for witness. And if your customer has it enabled, essentially this will help collect diagnostic data for witness. Also speeds up resolution of witness-based tickets, very similar to what having Pulse enabled on standard NCI infrastructure or AOS in general or PC would give the customer. Thanks for watching this new stuff on Nutanix Witness Service Phase 3 as part of the NCI 7.3 release.